Hello friends, hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. As you guys can see, I've already done my makeup, but I am not completely done because I still have to do my brows and my mascara, which is like my top two favorite things to do in my makeup routine. So the reason why is because I'm gonna go ahead and review just a couple of products that I picked up at Ulta yesterday for you guys. And yeah, so the first one that I'm gonna try is the eyebrow product. And this is by Loreal, and it is the Brow Stylist Definer. And this is supposed to be a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills, what is it called? Micro Brow Pencil. And that one is like $21. This one I got for $8.99. I went to the Ulta website just to check out new things that they're now offering, and this was one of the items that was on there. It said that it was new, but I'm looking at it and I feel like it's been here for like years. But anyways, I'm willing to try it out just to see here on camera. And then I'm also going to review a new mascara by Tarte, and I'm going to talk about this line because it is their new Sugar Rush Beauty by Tarte. Okay, so I'm going to do a timestamp here in the bottom. If you just want to see my review on this guy over here, just go ahead and go to that timestamp and the review so you can listen to the review. Okay, all right, but if you want to listen to this guy over here and see how this works, that's what we're going to start with first. So the color that I got was Brunette, okay? And it looks like it's gonna be a little darker than what I'm used to, but I'm willing to give it a try. This is what it looks like. Sorry, my ring light is like making it pretty, how do you say it, bright, especially with this foil packaging. Like I said, this did cost me $8.99. Okay, so if it works and it is a dupe, that's great because the other one is 29 bucks. Sorry, 21 bucks. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. So already off the bat, it looks very similar to the Anastasia one. It's very, very thin, and it is supposed to be a micro, how do you say it, tip, just so that here we go, ultra fine tip, just so that you can really do like hair-like strokes in your brow. So let me zoom in a bit. I have some nice golden glitter in my eyes, you can tell. And I'm gonna go ahead and start by just combing my brows. Here we go. I usually use a powder format for my brows, but I'll give this one a go. So this is what it looks like. Okay. Oh, this might work. That's what it looks like. This is the tip. So I think it might work. All right, so let's get to it. The light in this room keeps changing even though I have a ring light on the side. So I'm really sorry about that. But here we go. I start off at the tip and just with hair-like strokes, just fill in the brows. So I loved the way that came out. That was super easy. The color's not that dark. If I do want it darker, I could go ahead and just press more down on the brush or on the applicator. But I really like the way that looks. It looks very natural and it was easy to do. Now we're gonna do the other side. Wow. So it glides on very easily. It's smooth and it's also very forgiving, because if I accidentally do a hair stroke too low or too high, I could easily just wipe it and it'll come off, which is good if you make a mistake. Okay, so honestly, I have tried quite a few of these, and so far I love this one. You know, this being my first impression, I mean, you just saw it. I just did my eyebrows super quick and they look nice. All right, so this is, I gave it a 9 out of 10, I guess. Let's do a close-up so you guys can see. All right, guys, so here's a closer look at my brows, how they look. And I love them. I love how they came out. Guys, so I am loving this guy so far. I mean, the reason why I haven't given it a 10 out of 10 is because I have to keep using it. At first, sometimes products work and they're great, and then for some reason or another, they stop working, etc. But first impression, I'm giving this a 9 out of 10, okay? All right, so moving on to our next product because I feel kind of weird and naked with no mascara. I love mascara, and I use so much mascara. I go through bottles very, very quickly. Okay, so this one, just a little backstory on this one. Again, I'm gonna put a timestamp here if you just wanna see me applying this mascara to my eye and want to know nothing else about this mascara. But if not, here is a little info on it. So this is the Sugar Rush by Tarte Lash Smoothie mascara. Okay, it's a volumizing hemp mascara. Now I'm going to share with you guys a little bit about this brand, Sugar Rush. Okay, it is by Tarte, and it's actually, I guess you could say, like a daughter brand from Tarte. And apparently a lot of these items are below, or actually the majority of them are under 30 bucks. So I guess they just kind of saw that their products tend to be a little pricey. I love Tarte, but a lot of times I don't buy them just because they are pricey. They're on the pricey side. So I guess what they did is that they formed like a daughter company called Sugar Rush, and they sell things that are cheaper. They're less than 30 bucks, and that's really cool for people like me, right? Even though this mascara was actually $23, 23 bucks. I mean, it was below $30, but still $23 for mascara is a lot. So this better do what it claims. Okay, so like I said, this is the Lash Smoothie Volumizing Hemp Mascara, and it just came out. And this is really cool because it has a double-sided brush. It has short bristles that separate and define in one side of the brush, and in the other side, it has long bristles to volumize and to curl. I have never seen a mascara do any of this, so I'm very excited. And the picture they have here is pretty dramatic. Like the girl in the picture, I mean, I will insert a picture in here, but she has almost no brows. And after using this mascara, she looks like she has voluminous brows. Another claim is that it has a lot of oils. So for example, it has hemp seed oil. I don't know what that's for. It has castor oil, which I know it's good for you to grow your brows and your eyelashes, okay? It has coconut oil, kiwi seed oil, avocado oil, baobab oil, and plant wax, which apparently is supposed to be really good things for your brows. I mean, for your lashes. So maybe this will help them grow as well. I don't know. Okay, let's see. So this is the packaging right over here. So here's a picture of the double-sided bristles. They have the small ones and they have the long ones. All right, enough talk. Let's get to it. I got the color black. And just like I said, this mascara was $23. So if it doesn't do what it claims, guess what? I have no shame. I will go back to Ulta with my receipt and be like, here you go, because it didn't do what it claimed. Okay, this is what it looks like, the packaging. It is black and white. And now let's take a look at the bristles. So you can see both of them right there. The short ones are over here to the right and the long ones are to the left. All right, so let's get to it. Let me zoom in and let's try, I think we're gonna do the small bristles first and then we'll do the long bristles, and then I will not do this eye so we can see the difference, okay? Let me adjust my lighting here so you guys can see me a little better. Okay. So that's just with one coat. All right, so that is coat number 2. I usually put on like 3 or 4 coats, maybe more. Let's continue with the short bristles and then I'll finish with the long ones. Alright guys, so this is after coat number 3. It is giving me length. It's not giving me a lot of volume. Hopefully when I use the long ones, it'll give me volume. But it's okay. I mean, initially a lot of mascaras, when you first open them, they tend to be a little watery. So you don't get too much volume. What I do like so far is that it is doing a good job at separating each lash and they're not clumping together, okay? Alright, so for the very last coat, I'm going to try the long bristles. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. What do you guys think? Yes, I mean look at my eyelashes before. They kind of come up to like here, and then with this one, look at the volume that it gave me. So I'm really liking this. Wow, very nice, very nice. All right, let me go ahead and do the other eye and then I will be right back. All right guys, so this is how my eyes look after I applied mascara in this eye as well. Like I said, I really like the volume and the length. I would like a mascara to give me a lot more volume than this, but I will probably have to try it or keep trying it because usually after the 3rd or 4th time that I use it is when I start getting the volume that I want. It gets a little clumpy, which is good. Clumpy actually tends to give you more volume, okay? So I would have to use it a lot more to see if it's a keeper, but so far my first impression is, yeah, it gave me the volume and the length. I don't think what it claimed, but for sure a lot more than I expected. Okay, so this is the final look with my brows and my eyelashes. Do you see how much brows and lashes really do complete a makeup look? If you are not already doing that, if you're not putting enough mascara or maybe filling in your brows enough, I mean, look at the difference of how I look in the beginning of the video and then now with mascara and with just filling in my brows. It makes a world of a difference. So I highly recommend you get on it if you haven't already. Alright guys, so that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna link below these 2 products if you are interested in purchasing them. And let me know if you guys have tried it and what you guys think and your thoughts on these products. Okay? Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget our hope in life and death is in Christ Jesus. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself and I will see you on my next video. Bye! Hey friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It really does mean the world to me that you take time out of your busy schedule to check me out. So thank you so much. I have a few messages to share with you guys. They won't take long at all, I promise. So number 1, I accept prayer requests. There's a list that we have here at my house that me and my family pray for every single day. So if you have a prayer request and you want us to add you to the list, just go ahead and contact me. You can leave a comment below or you can email me or contact me through any of my social media platforms and we will go ahead and add you to that list. Number 2, if you are on Instagram or Facebook, you should totally be following me. Why? Because I post a lot more content there than I do here. I share with you guys just my everyday life, pictures of my kids, recipes, what I do on the Insta stories and all that good stuff. So if you are there, go ahead and follow me. And number 3, if you are not already part of this family, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. We have so much fun here. I post videos on my life, I do vlogs, I do makeup reviews, I do recipes, and also I do Bible studies. So if you're interested, go ahead and join our family. We would love to have you. Alright guys, so that's about it. That was nice, short, and sweet for you guys. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget our hope in life and death is in Christ Jesus. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video, Lord willing. Bye!